let me give you another example here. Let's say you've won another mini lottery here. This time it's in dollars. You're going to give 3% to charity, 12% to mom, 17% to your dad, 8% to your sister. Okay, so now draw the diagram here. The your whole amount is this, 746. Okay, you're going to give a tiny amount to charity, 3%, 3 pieces. So this thing here goes to charity. Okay, charity, and that's 3%. Okay, so what that means is, hang on, your whole amount, which is 746, split it into 100 pieces, and then remember you're giving 3 pieces away, so you times by 3, because this here represents 1 piece, and you're giving 3 pieces away. So get your calculator out and hang on, 746 divided into 100 pieces, and you're going to give away 3 pieces. But by the way, each piece is $7 and 46 pence. But you're giving away 3 pieces. So 3% so times 3 equals this. So 2238. What was that? 2238. So 2238. So 3% of $746 is $22.38. Okay. Now you're going to give 12 pieces to your mum. So 12 pieces probably around here. I'm guessing this. Remember, you've got 100 pieces to play with. I'm guessing that 3 pieces is here and 12 pieces is here. So anyway, 12 pieces go into this is mum. Okay, mum will be 12%. So again, get your whole amount, 746. Cut up into 100 pieces, and remember 12 pieces goes to your mum. So calculator, clear. So 746, your whole amount, divided into 100 pieces, and what 12 pieces goes to your mum. So times 12 equals this. It equals 8952. 8952. So 8952. So this amount will go to your mum, and your dad this time gets a large chunk. So it's 17 pieces to your dad. Okay, to dad here, 17% goes to your dad. So what that means is, get your whole amount, 746, divided into 100 pieces, and you're going to give 17 pieces to your dad. Okay, so calculator, 746 divided by 100, and then times 17, because you're giving 17 pieces, 17% to your dad. So 126.82. So 126.82 dollars goes to your dad. Okay, and this time you've got sister, eight pieces to sister. So hang on, sister, you're giving 8% to your sister. So assuming you've got a sister. So again, get your whole amount, 746. Split it up into 100 pieces, and 8 pieces goes to your sister. So calculator, clear. 746 divided by 100 equals this, and then what is it? 8% goes to your sister. So times 8 equals this, 59.68. 59 point, what is it, 68, 68. So hang on. So here, so 8% goes. Well, 8% of this amount here, 8% of that amount is this. 8% of this is this. Okay. Now let's look what's going on. How much is left for you? Well, you've got 100 pieces to start off with. Remember, we always divided by 100 per cent means per 100. Okay, per 100. So you split it into 100. So you've got 100 pieces, and remember, you've given away 3%. Well, and anyway, you've given away 3 pieces to your charity, 12 pieces to your mum, 17 pieces to your dad, 8 pieces to your sister. So how many pieces is left for you? Well, let's see. I'm going to merge these two, so that's 20. I'm going to merge these two. Hang on. That's another 20. Well, actually, altogether you've given away 40 pieces. Okay, 40%. You've given away 40% of your of your lottery win here. So what's left is actually 60%. Actually, it's badly drawn here. So 60% should be more than halfway. Should be up here. So it's just badly drawn. Don't worry about it too much. So what's left? What's left? Well, all this here is for you. What's left is 60 pieces. You've got 60 pieces left for yourself. So let's see. Hang on. So now you want to know what, in effect, if you want to know how much money is left for you, you've got 60% of what's left, or 60% of this is what's left for you. So you could just get your whole amount, which is 746, divided into 100 pieces, and then don't forget you've got 60 pieces left for you. So how much is that? Hang on. So now get a calculator. So now, in effect, we are working out 60% of your original win. Okay, because you've got 60%, you've got 60 slices left for yourself. So clear it. Hang on. So 746 divided into 100 pieces, and remember you've got 60 pieces left for yourself. So times 60 equals 447.6. 447.6. 0.6 is the same as 0.0. We normally have 2 decimal places because we're working with money. So in this case it would be cents. So this is 400 and blah 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 and 60 cents. So that's how much is left for you. Okay. So you've altogether here you've given 40 pieces away to other people, and then you've got 60 pieces left for you, and 60% of the original is actually this. Now if you add up all these together on a calculator, it should come up to this amount, your original amount. Okay.